Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up moving averages on Thinkorswim. We'll cover the simple steps to add this powerful indicator to your charts, customize its appearance, and adjust its parameters. This easy method will help you quickly visualize trends and make informed trading decisions. Get ready to enhance your chart analysis with just a few clicks. First, open any chart on your Thinkorswim platform. Look for the studies icon, usually found near the top of your chart interface. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Add Study. A search bar will pop up. Simply type moving average to find the indicator you need. Once you've added the moving average, it's time to customize it. You can choose the type, such as simple or exponential, and adjust its length, like a 50-period or 200-period average. Feel free to change the line's color and style to suit your preferences. Remember to save your settings so they are ready for next time. After customizing, confirm that your moving average now appears clearly on your chart. You can even add multiple moving averages, perhaps a 20-period and a 50-period, to compare different time frames. Experiment with various lengths to see how they impact your analysis. These lines are excellent tools for identifying market trends and potential support or resistance levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.